Hey guys, today on Earth's Garage we're going to be checking out the windscreen washers on this MY99 WRX. It's a GF/GC series. We're going to be taking a look at how the factory ones work and maybe how we can potentially improve it. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's see how the factory ones operate. So they don't really have a good spread on the screen, do they? They're more of a spurter than a sprayer. And I mean, you can adjust the focus of the actual nozzles. You can move them if you stick a pin in them, but you still really only get those streams. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be fitting these more modern misters into the system. Now these are from Nice Products. These have the flat fan pattern nozzle. That should give us a better, more effective pattern. Alright, so, well, what are we waiting for, eh? Let's get into it. Alright, so the first step's going to be to take the old nozzles out. So, first of all, just going to take the hoses off the joiner here. Like that. Now we'll just unclip them out of the hood. For that we just need a plastic trim remover and then just lever the little pin clips. Like that, that's him out. Same thing for this side. Like that. Number 2. Alright, so let's check out the old ones compared to the new ones. Here's our old nozzles. Here's our new ones. So our old ones have the tension clips facing long ways towards front and back of car, and our new ones have them facing sideways. So we just need to do a test fitment into the bonnet, see if we're going to be able to make them fit in properly before we go any further. Fits straight in. Oh, well, I guess we keep going then. Alright, so let's get them set up to go in there. Get our nozzles ready. We'll put some new hose in. Got some nice new Raceworks silicone hose, because why the hell not? One-way valve off near the bonnet is pointless. It's about as useful as a fire blanket in an igloo. So we're not going to do that. I'm just going to put a straight through bit of hose on. Alright, let's go and fit them in the hood. Alright, so first of all I'm going to give the washer holes a bit of love with some cut and polish, just to clean where the old nozzles were. Alrighty, now we'll feed our new nozzles in. So the one with the long hose goes on the right hand side. Feed him through like that. Snap him in, like that. Same with the left hand side. Feed him through. Snap him in. Now we take care of the rest under the bonnet. Alright, so next we just make sure there's enough hose in there to do the little U-bend, because these nozzles are pointing this way and the hose is going to go that way. So it's got to do a little U-bolt. So just make sure there's enough in there. And then we'll clip them back into the retainer. Like that. Cool. Same thing with this one, make sure there's enough in there to do the turnaround. And then we just cut them to length. And feed them onto the Y piece. That's rad. Let's give them a try. Alright, let's give them a burn. So that's pretty cool, eh? It's definitely more of a mist now than a squirt. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright guys, well that's our new windscreen washer squirters fitted. I reckon that's a pretty cool improvement. They're nice and misty and foamy now. It's really going to wash that screen a lot better, and you can already tell the difference in the garage here. So that about wraps up this episode. As always, thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing, and we'll catch up with you next time on O's Garage. Rad guys, see ya!